it's Mark from Ortho Repairs by Mark, and today we're working on a MacBook Air A2681, and we're doing a screen replacement. Here it's getting amps, and we're just going to get ready to do the repair, and we will flip it over, grab our P4L screwdriver, and unscrew the 4 screws from the back. The back housing is a lot different than the other previous MacBook Airs. They're more like a MacBook Pro, how to take it off. And I'm going to show you here in just a minute. Alright, we got all the screws out. We'll grab a metal pry tool and start lifting up on it. You can feel the pins is connected to. Here you can hear them pop off right here. There's 2 on the bottom and 2 on each side. And then you'll slide it down and then pull it off. There you go. Boom! Alright, get our T3 screwdriver. Let's get the battery undone. And so then we can move on with the repair. This connection, you've got to push it downwards like this, and then you can pull it off like that. Grab a plastic spudger and disconnect the battery just like this here. Boom, we got it disconnected. Let's move on to the rest of the repair. Perfect, just grab that T3 screwdriver, remove the screw here, and then there's going to be a couple other brackets just right here. Here's all the brackets, I just wanted to highlight them all. Perfect, we got all the brackets off. Let's move this little sticky piece and then get this T3 screwdriver screws removed from the screen connection bracket. And then we'll get the bracket. Grab out a P2 screwdriver and unscrew these 2 screws from this bracket holding down the ribbon cable for the screen. We'll use a T3 screwdriver to remove the other 2 screws. My screen actually came with this pre-installed, so I didn't have to reinstall it. But if you didn't have that type of screen, unlike me, then you would have to take it off. Use a flat end of your spudger. I tried to use the pointy end, didn't work very well. And then you'll want to use some bended tweezers and then pop off the Wi-Fi antennas. Push right on the little gold bracket there so you don't break anything. Then the flat end to remove the loudspeaker. Grab your T3 screwdriver and remove the 2 screws covering the hinge covers. The hinge covers are a bit tricky to get out. You want to just push down with the screw hole. Gotta push it down. You gotta mess with it a little bit. It has some adhesive holding it down, so it makes it pretty hard. But push it down just like that, and then slide it out, and just grab it out just like that. Boom. Alright, while I get this other one out, I just wanted you guys to please like and subscribe, and please watch the whole video. Thank you. Now grab a T5 screwdriver and remove the 6 screws on the top, holding down the loudspeaker and the Wi-Fi antenna. Alright, let's grab out the speakers here, just easy, they come out easy. Then there's this hidden screw on the side of the hinge. I'm going to use some tweezers, some fine pointed tweezers to try to lift it up the best I can to get to that screw. And then we will use our T2 screwdriver to remove that screw on the back left corner. Don't forget it. Grab your T8 screwdriver, unscrew the 3 screws holding down the hinge. You want to just loosen the one, and I'll show you why in just a second. It will help us take off the screen. So you open it up, put it on its side, and then you can unscrew those 2 final T8 screws from the hinge. Got the screws off, push it off just like that, just comes off really easily. Putting it back on is a lot more difficult, and I'll show you how to do that, but for now, we'll prep our screen, make sure it didn't break in shipping, and this is a grade B OEM pull screen that I got from Mobile Centrics. You want to make sure the hinges are at open position, and then you'll tilt it on its side, and you'll want to put on the side, the top left corner first, because you don't want to accidentally pinch that ribbon cable on the top left corner. See how I slide it in there? And I get it on, and then I put it on the other side. And you want to make sure there's no slack in the ribbon cable so you accidentally close the hinges on it and break the brand new screen while you're putting it on. Alright, once we're confident we got it on, we don't see any extra slack in the cable, we will grab our T8 screwdriver and just screw in one of the screws on each side of the hinge, so then we can close it shut. Perfect. Alright, so let's get the T8 screws and put them on the hinges here. And I believe in you guys. You guys can get this thing back together. I probably don't even have to say anything anymore. I do recommend testing the screen before you fully put it back together, otherwise you have a lot more work to do if it is defective. Anyways, please like and subscribe. Watch my whole video, that'd be great. Watch the entire ad that you have to. That's the only way I'm starting to get paid by YouTube. But anyways, I have my music that I'm going to play through the rest of the video. It's from a guy named Dave Jacobs. Good thing to know about this screen repair is that little bar on the top that's supposed to make the screen like not OEM anymore has gone away. So this MacBook is now repairable. Worth it!